Yo, what up guys? It's Bird and Nerd here. We're gonna do a little rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And the loser, well, the computer gets taken the control of for, let's make it 20 seconds. Oh boy. Alright, Brayden, talk loudly. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna talk, ready? We're gonna say rock, paper, scissors, and then we're gonna say rock, paper, scissors, and we're gonna name out the thing. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, scissors.
Paper.
Yes!
No.
Okay. Ready? 20 seconds. You
No.
count. You count. 20 seconds. What's your Okay. 20 seconds, boys.
We have a minute.
A minute? No! 20 20 seconds.
20 seconds isn't enough.
Oh,
A minute.
a minute.
Sometimes up.
Ah, dang it.
Yeah.
Alright. Rock,
Rock,
paper, scissors,
scissors,
shoot.
shoot,
Rock.
rock,
Alright.
rock,
Paper,
paper,
scissors, shoot,
shoot,
rock. 30 seconds each.
Hey, how do I get it?
What's your password?
No.
Oh, guys, okay,
Wait, how do I get to Google? Go
Right-
to Google for me.
It's just you scroll, go all to the bottom. It's a jump. No, don't open that. No, don't. Oh, yo, your things are starting now. You 20 seconds. Yo, go to the go to the one Rock sent me. Hit the second link. The second link. The kiss one. That, no, that one. Yes, that one. 10 seconds. No, your time's up. Time's up, buddy. Time's up. Time's up.
It's a minute. It's a minute.
No, it's not. No, it wasn't on time. Ready?
No, I checked. It's not.
Ready? 3, 2,
No,
get.
I actually said paper. It just took a while.
I know. Let's redo it. Let's go. 3, 2. I got my thing.
No, but I won. I won.
Go! There's like a 30-minute delay. I heard. Oh my gosh! 35 seconds to start now. 30.
The bottom
29.
part is
Hold it down there. 28. 27. No. 26. 25. Hit the bottom.
working.
24. 23. 22. No. Brayden. 20 seconds. 19. Brayden. 17 seconds. Brayden, I'm gonna kill you. 16 seconds. Brayden! No. No. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. No! No! Your time's up! You ugly fart! You ugly! Your time's up! Your time is up! Gosh! Kill you. We said no permanent damage! Gosh. I have to.
Permanent damage.
Yeah, that is permanent damage. I have to go back. I have to change it now.